So you're using a VPN on your phone, and you've probably thought, man, I wish I could get this same connection on my big screen TV. It sounds like it should be super complicated, right? Well, it's not. Today, we're going to break down exactly how you can share your phone's VPN with pretty much any smart TV and unlock a whole new world of content.
Yeah, this is a super common problem. You've got all the great stuff a VPN offers, privacy, security, access to global content, all right there in the palm of your hand. But getting that power over to your TV, it feels like it would be a huge headache. But the good news is, it's actually surprisingly simple.
And that's exactly what we're going to do. The goal here is to make your TV see the internet through your phone's secure connection. And the best part? You don't need any special hardware, and you definitely don't have to mess with your home router. All it really takes is your phone and one free app. All right, let's get into it. Step 1 is all about prepping your phone. Seriously, everything starts right here. We're just going to make a few taps to get your device ready to share its connection. So here's the game plan for your phone. And don't worry, this works for both Android and iPhone. First, we'll install one little app. Then we'll enable a couple of features, fire up your VPN, and then just grab the network details we'll need for the TV. Let's walk through it. The secret sauce for this whole setup is a free app called Every Proxy. Now, what this app does is basically turn your phone into a little traffic controller for your internet. Your TV will send its internet requests to your phone, and your phone, which has the VPN running, will go fetch the data securely and send it right back to the TV. You can just go find this on your phone's app store. Okay, once you've got the app installed, the first 2 steps are a total breeze. First thing, open up Every Proxy and just hit that main toggle to turn on the HTTP/S proxy. That's it. Simple. Second, you're going to pop into your phone's main settings and turn on your mobile Wi-Fi hotspot. This creates the private network that your TV is about to connect to. Now, with the proxy and the hotspot running, just go ahead and open your usual VPN app. Connect to whatever server location you want, and it really doesn't matter which VPN service you use. As long as it's active on your phone, this whole thing will work perfectly. All right, last step for the phone. Head back into the Every Proxy app. When you tap that main toggle to get it started, the app's going to show you 2 key pieces of information, an IP address and a port number. This is what your TV needs to connect. I'd recommend keeping this screen open or maybe just take a quick screenshot. So the phone is all set up and it's broadcasting its secure network. Now we can switch gears and move over to the TV. Step 2 is all about configuring your television to actually connect to your phone. And you know what? The process on the TV side is just as straightforward. It really just comes down to finding the right network settings and manually punching in those details from your phone. So go ahead and grab your TV remote and navigate to the Wi-Fi settings. First, just find and connect to your phone's hotspot like you would with any other Wi-Fi network. Once you're connected, you'll need to go back into that network's specific settings. Look for something that says Advanced or Modify Network. Buried in there, you should find an option for Proxy. This is it, the final step. In your TV's proxy menu, you're going to change the setting from None or Off over to Manual. You'll then see a couple of fields pop up for an IP address and a port number. This is where you enter that info from the Every Proxy app on your phone. Just type in the IP address exactly as you see it and do the same for the port number. Hit Save, and that's it. You're done. Okay, you should be connected. It's pretty cool, right? But before you start binge watching, there is one quick but important warning we need to talk about, and it's all about app compatibility. The source material actually puts it really plainly. It says, not all application will work with the Every Proxy IP address that has been connected to your TV. And that's really the main thing you need to keep in mind. So what does that actually mean for you? Well, in most cases, the big streaming apps like YouTube or Netflix, they're going to work just fine. Where you might run into some trouble is with system-level apps, like your TV's app store. It just might not be able to connect. So really, your experience might vary a little bit, so the best thing to do is just test your favorite apps and see how they do. And that's all there is to it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully taken your phone's secure, versatile internet connection and pointed it directly to your television. Your TV is now effectively borderless. It can access content as if it were anywhere in the world. So really, the only question left is, what are you going to watch first?